and the Hilsa fish. It's a very interesting story about coastal area. It was the season for Hilsa fish. Fishermen could think of nothing but Hilsa fish. What a big Hilsa we have caught today! Fishmonger sold nothing but Hilsa fish. How fresh and beautiful Hilsa you have! What a big Hilsa you have! Come, buy the Hilsa. Price of Hilsa is down today. Come, buy the fresh Hilsa today. Householders could talk of nothing but Hilsa fish. What a fresh and beautiful Hilsa you have brought here. How much did you pay for that Hilsa? You wouldn't believe it if I told you the price of Hilsa. And in the palace too, the courtiers could discuss nothing but Hilsa fish. Then one day some courtiers told to King, Your Majesty, you should have seen a huge Hilsa I caught. It was so big. To listen the news, King became a little bit annoyed and said, Stop it. Are you a courtier or a fisherman? Every time you were talking about Hilsa fish. Stop it. The courtier fell silent with downcast eyes. Sorry, sir, I'll always keep in my mind. Then King felt guilty and told to courtier, I am sorry I lost my temper to listen news of Hilsa fish everywhere. Because people were talking everywhere about the Hilsa fish. It is the season for Hilsa fish and no one, not even Gopal, could stop anyone from talking about Hilsa fish, not for the 5 minutes. People were talking about a Hilsa fish every time, everywhere. So it makes me annoyed. I am just became a little bit angry to listen the news of Hilsa fish. Then Gopal said, Oh, I think I could do, Your Majesty. I can stop people to talk about Hilsa fish. Then King said, Then let me see you buy a huge Hilsa and bring it to the palace, and keep in your mind that people could not anyone without asking you a word about it. I accept the challenge, Your Majesty, said Gopal. Then one day, after a few days, Gopal's wife asked, Why is your face half shaven? Gopal answered, I am dressing up to buy Hilsa fish. Hilsa fish? What is the matter with you? Why are you so smearing yourself with ash? Asked Gopal's wife. Gopal answered, I have told you na that I am going to buy Hilsa fish, so I am dressing up. Dressing up like a lunatic person? Gopal's wife asked to Gopal, Listen to me, please. You can't possibly go out in those disgraceful rags. People thought you became mad. But Gopal doesn't care about it and said, What are you up to? Gopal said, How many times must I told you, women, I am out to buy a huge Hilsa fish? And Gopal go outside of the house. Then Gopal's wife thought that it's happened to him, he is gone mad. And Gopal brought the Hilsa and started walking toward the palace. And to see the lunatic appearance of Gopal, people were start laughing at him. Then a little girl said, Mother, look at that man. Isn't he a comical? How funny he is. Some other people say, he must be a madman. And some other people say, Hush, think he is a mystic. When Gopal reached the court, the doorkeeper say, What do you want? Gopal answered, I want to see the king. To see the king in such a lunatic appearance? You can't see the king, get away with you. You are a mad person and king is not interested to meet such type of person today. Gopal began to dance and sing loudly so that king can listen his wife, and called him into the court. Inside the palace, When king listened the voice of the Gopal, a crazy man, and throw him out at once, said the king. I want to see the king, let me in, said Gopal. Then king said, look, see what happened. Bring that man to me at once. Who is that guy who was singing so loudly? Yes, your majesty, I am going and bring that person immediately. Gopal was brought before the king. To see the Gopal, all the courtiers say it was Gopal. The man has lost his mind, all courtiers discussed. I think it's one of his crazy joke. Some other courtier discuss. All right, Gopal, out with it, said king. Why are you dressed up in ridiculous fashion? Ridiculous fashion? Sir, I think you have forgot something. Your Majesty, you seem to have forgotten something. I have forgotten something? What? What I have forgotten today? I didn't remember anything. Then Gopal answered, Your Majesty, strangely enough, see the fish, and no one seems to be interested in Hilsa fish today. No one is talking about Hilsa fish today. See, I bring 2 Hilsa fish along with me from the market in the palace and in the court too. But no one is talking about Hilsa fish. Not a soul has spoken a word about Hilsa fish today. Then only the king remembered the challenge he had thrown to Gopal. Ha ha ha! Very well done, Gopal. You have just passed out. You have been success in your attempt. Well, Gopal, congratulations. I will give you a big prize. You have achieved the impossible once again. So, moral of the story, that when people say new thing, they start talking about that thing, and when a